Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click in this page. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data here. If you want to delete your data in this page. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.